Star Atlas cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, or so they thought. We here will fundamentally give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Star Atlas, or so they thought. The Star Atlas has rapidly acquired incredible consideration that crypto financial backers by and large are interested, and looking through the inquiries, like especially is Star Atlas, and especially wise speculation, which is very critical. Is Atlas worth purchasing in 2023? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How sort of high can Star Atlas go in an unpretentious manner? Our aid will truly provide you with a thought of the Star Atlas expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to central past cost diagrams. Star Atlas past value examination as per the most recent market information. Today the cost of Star Atlas is $0.009, and Atlas is right now positioned number 623 in the whole crypto market. The course supply of Atlas is 2,160,000,000, with a market cap of $20,216,419 in most recent 24 hours, which basically is very critical. In the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been somewhere near 0.71% in its ongoing cost esteem in an unobtrusive way, assuming that we look at the 24-hour market cap of the Star Atlas with yesterday's. You can especially see that the market cap is likewise in descending pattern in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas especially is as yet confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins on the lookout. The Atlas generally is down to nearly 34.25% over the most recent 7 days. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of beyond couple of days. The coin could really areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in transient in an especially significant manner, notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost esteem and in every practical sense, recent days cost history, it sort of is seen that Star Atlas has expanded 64.03% in its cost esteem, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The genuinely normal least cost for the 1 month basically is $0.003, while especially most extreme certainly normal cost was $0.003 incredibly. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to kind of your arrangement of coins for especially long haul in a sort of significant manner. The 90 days cost change generally is around 58.79%. And the cost coursed from a base pretty typical worth of $0.004 to most extreme certainly normal worth of $0.004 in the beyond 90 days in an in every practical sense, significant way. In very most recent 4 months Star Atlas truly has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we truly feel that comparative pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period. As per without a doubt the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Star Atlas is expanded from 4 months in an in every practical sense, large way. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its value, which is very huge. The coin in every way that really matters is up by 61.54%. With the kind of greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin was around $0.004, and the kind of least beautiful normal value of was around $0.003 in extremely beyond 4 months amazingly. Star Atlas value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We especially anticipate future Atlas cost expectations Star Atlas estimates by applying commonly profound essentially counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Star Atlas, or so they for the most part thought. We do our scarcely awesome to explicitly gather commonly greatest verifiable information for the Atlas coin, which incorporate different elements like pretty past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Assuming you are looking to put resources into digital currency market, explicitly make a point to peruse our expectations. Star Atlas value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Star Atlas truly is supposed to reach at an in every practical sense, least value level of $0.009, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Atlas cost can arrive at a greatest worth of $0.010, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $0.010, or so they generally thought. Star Atlas value expectation for 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Star Atlas generally is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.013, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Atlas cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.017, with the very normal exchanging cost of $0.014 in a genuinely significant manner. Star Atlas value figure 2025-2026. The cost of Star Atlas is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.020 in 2025 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Star Atlas cost can especially arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $0.023, with the typical cost of $0.021 all through 2025 in an essentially significant manner. The cost of Star Atlas is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $0.028 in 2026. The Star Atlas cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.035, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.029 all through 2026. Atlas value expectation for 2027. Star Atlas cost in every way that really matters is gauged to arrive at a kind of the most reduced degree of $0.041 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Atlas cost could basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.049, with the typical figure cost of $0.043, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Atlas value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Atlas in 2028, the cost of Star Atlas is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.057. The Star Atlas value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of $0.071, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.059 in United States dollars, which basically is very critical. Star Atlas value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Star Atlas truly is supposed to, in a real sense, reach at a sort of least degree of $0.082 in 2029. The Atlas cost can arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $0.10, with the typical cost of $0.085, all through 2029.